Hello, kindergarten. Welcome back to another day of beginning sounds. I hope yesterday's beginning sounds were simple and straightforward. We'll be doing the same thing today, except I'll be mixing up the activities on the screen, and you will have a different worksheet to do today that I will also go and guide you guys in the first little bit. So for right now, I just want you to look at the screen, okay? Today is still beginning sounds. Now, if you don't remember what a beginning sound is, okay, a beginning sound is the sound that you hear when you first say a word, okay? So our example yesterday was cup, okay? If I were to say, what about the word heart, okay? Heart, H-R-T, okay? The first sound that you hear is a H sound. And what letter makes the H sound? The letter H. Good job. So the beginning sound in the word heart, okay, is the letter H, or the H sound, okay? So I want you to look at the screen right now, kindergarten. Excuse me. And if you can see the pictures, okay, I would like you to take a quick look. The first picture right over here on the left-hand side is a picture of a penguin. Penguin, okay? The one right below that is a picture of a guitar. And then after that, we have a queen. Okay? All right, kindergarten. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from the correct picture to the correct beginning sound letter. Okay? So first things first, we're going to start off with penguin. Okay? We have the letters Q, P, and G. Okay? Who can tell me what sound does the letter Q make? Okay, if you said qu, you are correct. Okay, P, the letter P makes a P sound. Excuse me. The letter G makes a J sound. Okay, so if I have a penguin at the top here, okay, where would I draw a line to connect the penguin to the correct beginning letter? Will I connect a line to the Q, to the P, or to the G? Okay, penguin, penguin. Okay, if you said P, then you are correct. Penguin starts with a P. Okay, next picture I have is a picture of a guitar. Okay, so we only have two choices left. We have a qu sound or a j sound, and judging from those sounds, okay, I'm going to draw a line from the guitar to the letter G. You're right, kindergarten. Guitar starts with the letter G. Guitar. Guitar. Okay, moving on to my last picture. I have a picture of a queen. Queen. All right, kindergarten, if I have a picture of a queen, queen, that means I hear a qu sound at the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag a line from the queen to the letter Q, because the Q makes a qu sound. Okay? So we have penguin, which starts with the letter P and it makes a P beginning sound. We have a guitar, and we're going to connect that line to the G, which makes a G beginning sound. And lastly, we have a queen. We're going to connect that line to the letter Q, which makes a Q sound. Okay, moving on. I have 3 pictures here, and I need to figure out what their beginning sound is. And at the end, it's going to spell a special word or a secret word using only my beginning sounds, okay? So if I have a heart, and we use this in the example, if I had a heart, what beginning sound or what letter does that start with? Heart. You're right, kindergarten. It starts with the letter H. H. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write the letter H. Okay, moving on. The next picture I have here is a picture of an acorn. Acorn. I'd like you to take a moment to find out what letter starts with acorn. This one's pretty simple because the vowel says its name in acorn, okay? So if you wrote or if you thought A, then you are correct. Acorn. The last picture we have here is a picture of a tiger. Tiger. Ooh, that one's pretty simple too. It starts with a T, and the only letter that has the sound T is the letter T. Okay? T for tiger. Oh, well, let's look over here, Miss Salvador. H, A, T. H, A, T. Let's try combining all those together, kindergarten. H, A, T. Hat. Good job, okay? So right over here, we were able to spell a secret word, and that word is hat, okay? H-A-T. Now, okay, kindergarten, the very last thing we're going to do today is we're going to do this beginning sound page. So in your work package, you have received this page. I'd like you to take it out, and I'd like you to get a pencil and start getting ready. This one is very similar to yesterday's page, except we don't color in or we don't fill in the boxes with the correct sound. This time we have to actually write the letter for the beginning sound. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. I'll do the first two with you, and then I'll let you do the rest on your own. Okay, so the very first one we have is a picture of a hippo. Hip-o. Okay, I'd like you to take a moment and think of the beginning sound and what Miss Salvador is going to write on the lines. Hippo. Okay, if you said the letter H, then you are correct. Okay, so you can take your pencil and you will write the letter H along with Miss Salvador. So you're going to start at the top baseline. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom baseline. Then you're going to come up to the middle dotted line, and then you're going to make a curve and then straight back down to the bottom baseline. Okay, hippo starts with the letter H, and it makes the beginning sound H. Okay, moving on. Right beside the hippo, we have a king. Okay, K-E-N. I'll give you a moment to think of what sound or what letter the word king starts with. Okay, this one's a little bit difficult because we know in our alphabet there's two letters that has a K sound. Okay, if we look, there's the letter C, which makes a K sound, and the other letter that makes a K sound is the letter K. Okay, for today we will be using the K for king. Okay, so I'd like you to take your pencil, and on the lines I'd like you to write the letter K with Miss Salvador. Okay, so we're going to start at the top baseline. We're going to go all the way down, make our vertical line, then we're going to stop, and then we're going to start at 2 on the clock, and then we're going to make a diagonal line all the way to the middle, and then back down to the bottom baseline again. Okay, so we have hippo and king. K. It makes a K sound at the beginning, which starts with the letter K. Okay, I'd like you to do the rest of the worksheet by yourself, kindergarten. I can go over the pictures with you, and then I'll let you do it on your own. Okay, this is a picture of a penguin. We did that earlier. This one, it kind of gives a little hint right there. That's a picture of a newspaper. The next one over here is an ant. This one we did earlier as well. It's a picture of a queen. This one is a boat. Next we have a raccoon. After that we have a picture of a camera. This one I'm pretty sure all of you guys know. That's the number 6. Okay, I'm going to move along. The next picture we have is a dog. The next one is a sun. We have some yarn. This one is a type of bird called an ostrich. Ostrich. Okay, moving on, we have a volcano. This one, you can say it's a bug or you can say it's an insect. I'll accept any of those two. And then this one is a window. We have a jar of jam, an X-ray, and a zebra. Okay? So I'd like you to work on the rest of the page on your own. And then next week we will be doing more beginning sounds to help you guys practice, okay? If you have any questions, let mommy or daddy email us through Class Dojo or through our personal school emails, and we will get back to you as soon as you can. Hope you have fun learning. Bye, kindergarten. See you next week.